Right, question 5. Thomas bought 30 webcams at £22 each, 120 USB drives at £50 each to sell in his shop. He made 50% profit on all the sale of each webcam. Right, so he sold all of his stock, okay, of webcams and USB drives. In total, his takings from the sales of webcams and USB drives was that 7,490. Calculate the percentage profit. Okay, I think obviously we can see here that he did sell all of his stock, okay, and it says then he made a 50% profit. That's quite important, isn't it, on the webcams, on each webcam. So if we first of all perhaps work out how much he actually paid for this stock to start with. Obviously he paid a lot lower price and then sold it on at a much higher price so that he could make a profit. Now, 30 webcams are £22 each, so that means we have to do 30. So we'll write webcams here. Okay, so 30 times 22. Now, 3 times 22 is 66, and add a 0. Okay, so the cost of the webcams was £660. Okay. And then USB drives 120 at £50 each. So here we've got 12 times 5 is 60. And add the 2 zeros. Okay, so we're having £6,000. Alright, so the total buying fees, the products, will be 6,000 plus 660, which comes to £6,660. Okay. Now it says then that he made a 50% profit on the sale of each webcam. Of course, we can actually from there then we could work out how much money he took on the webcams, because if he paid £660 for all the webcams and then made a 50% profit, we can actually work out the takings from there. Just work out 50%. You could work out 50% of each webcam, 50% of £22, and do it for each webcam, or you can look at the total, which I think is better. Okay, all 30 of them. So if we do 50% of 660, and of course 50% is just half, isn't it? So half of 660 is 330. Okay, so you made a profit of £330. Okay, so he took 660 plus 330, which is £990 in the sale of webcams. Okay, now if you look here, his total take-ins was 7,590. So when it comes to USB drives, we can work out how much he made the take-ins on the USB drives by obviously taking away the total of the webcams from this. So total take-ins on USB drives, okay, will be the 7,590 take away what he took for the webcams, which is 9,990. Alright, so if we do that over here, 0 take away 0 is 0, 9 take away 9 is 0, 5 take away 9 you can't do, so you go to 6 and forward to 1, 15 take away 9 then is 6, so £600. Okay, now of course then the 6 take away 0 here is 6, so we're left with 6,600. Okay, 6,600 was the cost of was the take-ins from USB drives, 6,600. Now the question asks then, calculate the percentage profit you made on the sale of the USB drives. Well, if you paid 6,000 for them and then sold them for 6,600, he's actually made £600, isn't he? Okay. So if we look at that difference there, £600. So the profit was £600. Now if we take that as a fraction of what he paid for them, he paid 6,000, if we take that as a fraction, the fraction would be 600 over 6,000. So that would be, you cancel the zeros, 6 over 60. 6 over 60 simplifies to be 1/10. So you made the profit of 1/10, which of course is 10%. Okay, so there's his percentage profit there.